If you are looking for an awesome pair of modern lamps, you are absolutely going to love these because they also have charging ports on them and they come with light bulbs. It has everything that you need to have awesome lamps. So this is what it looks like up front. You got the white knob up here, gold in there. Again, they come with light bulbs, and then you have this white base. The cool part about this is when I touch this, you can see it gets brighter, and then so it gets even brighter there, and then it touches off. So you don't have to worry about like trying to go under here, turn it on. You literally just touch it just like that, turn it on, and then if you want it brighter, you could go like that, and you got that at the brightest. And then when you turn it around here, you'll see you got a USB-C and a USB, so you can charge your favorite devices as well. These lamps are absolutely awesome. So if you're looking for some great lamps that are white, modern looking, easy to put together, definitely check these out. And thanks to the brand for sending this over so I could do this review.